When the cold air returns, many people start to catch a cold. The chilly wind, dry throat, and constant sneezing make daily life harder. We often ignore the first signs, thinking it's nothing serious, but soon we end up feeling weak and tired, wishing we had taken better care of ourselves. I started feeling unwell on Monday morning. At first, I thought I was just tired from the weekend. But then my throat began to feel scratchy and uncomfortable. I drank some water, hoping it would help. By lunchtime, I was sneezing every few minutes. I knew then that I was getting sick. As the day went on, I felt worse. My nose started running like a tap. I used up all the tissues on my desk. My head began to ache, and I felt chilly even though the office was warm. I decided to leave work early and go straight home. My body was telling me to rest. When I got home, I took my temperature. I had a slight fever. I changed into comfortable clothes and made myself some ginger tea. The warm drink helped soothe my sore throat. I took some basic cold medicine and lay down on the sofa. I knew I needed to take it easy for a few days. The next day, I called my manager to say I couldn't come to work. My voice sounded rough and I was coughing a lot. I spent the day resting and drinking plenty of fluids. I ate some simple chicken soup for lunch. Though I felt miserable, I knew rest was the best medicine for recovery. Being sick made me realize how much I take my health for granted. Normal activities like cooking or even watching TV felt difficult. I missed having energy and clear thinking. Most of all, I missed connecting with my friends and colleagues. Being sick can feel quite lonely sometimes. My friend called to check on me. She suggested I take hot showers to help with the congestion. She was right. The steam made it easier to breathe. She also brought me some oranges for vitamin C. Her kindness made me feel much better. It's wonderful to have caring friends when you're sick. After 3 days of rest, I finally started feeling better. My fever was gone and I could breathe through my nose again. I still had a cough, but it was less frequent. I began doing light chores around the house. It felt good to be productive again, even in a small way. I learned some important lessons from being sick. First, listening to your body is crucial. Second, don't wait to take care of yourself. Third, accept help from friends when you need it. Finally, appreciate your health when you have it. These lessons will stay with me long after this cold is gone. Today, I'm almost back to normal. I returned to work and caught up on my tasks. My colleagues were happy to see me feeling better. I'm still being careful, washing my hands regularly and getting enough sleep. I want to make sure I don't get sick again anytime soon. Looking back, this cold taught me to slow down and appreciate my health. Sometimes we get so busy that we forget to take care of ourselves. Being sick was unpleasant, but it gave me time to reflect. Now I understand that taking care of my health should always be my first priority. That's a lesson worth remembering.